So everyone, I'm back. I have a whole bunch of vacuums. I have the Hoover Wind Tunnel, Whole House. I have the Dyson Ball Animal 2, the Samsung VU4000, and the Shark Powered Liftaway. I have a pile of cat litter set up in front of each vacuum. It's not really measured, but they all look about the same. So I'm going to make one forward and back pass over the pile. I'm going to try and keep it at the same speed. Absolutely no agitation, so here we go. So now here we go. Brush roll is on. Okay, now the Hoover. Okay, time for the visual inspection. So in this path, I gotta remove this stupid camera thing. So in this path, this is the only dirt it left right here. The rest of the path, I'm gonna take my hand across. I feel a couple particles. See, a couple particles are dancing out. But that's it, is that spot right there. And that's where the belt is. So that did a very good job. Next is the Dyson Ball Animal. You can see there is like nothing left of this pile. There's a little bit right where the pile was, but again, it is really clean. Next is the Samsung. There's some strips of dirt left, but look at this. It has snow plowed most of the pile. There's a big piece of mess left right there. But here's the Shark. You can see the Shark has left this strip here, right along the side. And there's also some dirt. I can feel a ton. Look, when I shake my hand, do you see that? There's tons of dirt left in there. It has ground the dirt into the carpet. I can feel. See, look. You see this? I hope you can see that on camera. But there's dirt coming out. The other part is, the cyclone is clogged with dirt. Look at that. That just came out of the cyclone. Samsung didn't have that problem. The Dyson didn't have that problem. And the Hoover didn't have that problem. But the Shark did. Look at the dirt, at the litter that was left in that cyclone. Now let's check the filters after this big mess test. Or not big mess test, but let me clean this area up. I don't want to sit on all this. I'll clean it up with the Samsung. Yeah, Samsung. Remember which cord is the Samsung. There's 4 vacuum cords on the floor right now. I know it won't be as fair for the Samsung because it picked up more, but let's check the Shark first. There is tons. Where's my flashlight? Oh, Christ almighty. Oh, here it is. There was tons of litter in that filter. And if you can see, there's dust all over this. And this was just cleaned. I just cleaned this with one of the Dysons, and it's dirty again. And there was dirt in this filter, it all fell out. But, yeah. Next, let's check the Samsung U4000. Let's check this filter. Wow. So you can see the filter is dirty. Let me angle my camera down. But look. There is litter on this filter. And you can see there's litter that got past the cyclones. And this bin is heavy. Oh, I need to put the filter back. Let's check the Dyson ball. Goodness gracious. I really need someone to film these videos for me. There is basically no dirt in this filter. A little bit came out. And check inside the cyclone. Goodness. There's some dirt, if you can see in there. Not too much. And now for the least expensive of all of these vacuums, and that would be the Hoover. Let's check out this bin. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. None of this cat litter. Look at how much cat litter there is in there. None of this litter has gotten past the cyclone. Look. Wow. Amazing. See, look at that. There's like barely any dust. Let me wipe it. Let me angle the camera down. See, look. There's a tiny little bit of dust. Let me tap the filter out on the vacuum. See, look. There's a couple tiny specks of dirt. But that's it. That is absolutely amazing. The fact that this $130 vacuum cleaner, I paid $100 for it because it was on sale, has done that good of a job of separating that dirt. Let's check the brush bar. The brush bar doesn't even look that dirty. That is awesome. See, the Dyson is, the bin is pretty much not see-through anymore. Samsung's is. The Hoover I've had for a lot less time, so I wouldn't expect it to be fogged. But look at that Dyson bin. You can barely see through it anymore. But I've had this vacuum for almost a year now. But this Hoover has done an excellent job. It did push some of the dirt, a little bit of it. Not really push, but there's the area where the belt is, right there. And that's why I didn't pick up. It's because the area where the belt is. I had it on 3 for this test, so it wouldn't push. I need to move it back to low carpet, because that's what this carpet is. This is low carpet. But that did an excellent job of cleaning. That did a very good job. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Hoover, the Dyson, the Samsung, and the Shark. The Shark did a decent job, but as you saw, the cyclone was completely clogged, which none of these other vacuums had a problem with. And that is a $260 vacuum. That's a $300 vacuum. That's a $500 vacuum. and that's a $130 vacuum. And these two right here performed the best because their cyclones didn't clog and they scattered very little besides that one spot that the Hoover scattered where the belt was. But that was a very excellent job of cleaning. So everyone, as I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.